Hey guys, how's it going? This is Lida from the Sypnotix. As you saw, I just unboxed the new 8th gen iPad. This is the 32GB model that retails for $329. Out of the box, there's not too much of a difference compared to previous iPads we've seen before. As always, the iPad comes with some paperwork and Apple stickers. We also got a Lightning to USB-C cable and USB-C power adapter as well, so Apple is sticking to proprietary charging this generation. I am currently updating it to the new iPadOS 14, which is the latest Apple software update that all iPads should be receiving. The update does take a bit of time and roughly took 10 minutes for me with a restart. Let's take a quick look at the outside before we check out the software. Again, nothing has changed too much in this 8th gen iPad. On the bottom, we've got some stereo speakers and a lightning port. On the right side, we have the volume rockers. At the top, we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack and the power button. And along the left side is a smart connector that has 3 magnetic points to connect with a smart keyboard or other compatible devices. This particular model is the rose gold version. I actually bought this iPad for my mom, who is currently using an iPad Air 2, so this will be a nice upgrade for her. On the front is a 10.2-inch Retina display with a 2160 by 1620 pixel resolution at 264 ppi. There's also a Touch ID home button. This new version is still lightweight at 1.08 pounds and still maintains the 8-megapixel camera at the top and front too. Bezels look to be about the same as what we normally see, with a decently sized forehead and chin. Now that the update has finished, let's take a look at the inside. New this year is the A12 Bionic chip, which is supposed to be even faster and have advanced sensors for an immersive AR experience. Apple also touts a 10-hour battery life with this new iPad as well. New to iPadOS are widgets. If you have an iPhone and updated to iOS 14, you can't customize your home screen exactly the same way on your iPad. You also don't get an app drawer either. Instead, you only get the sidebar of widgets, but there's still a lot you can do. You can stack different widgets and edit them and look at some useful functions quickly, like weather and your calendar. Scrolling through stocks, the news, and maps is even easier because of these. You can also use the plus button to add additional widgets for things like music or battery status and really make this feature convenient to your usage. There's also a search function now at the top, so it's easier to find apps as well. My mom has been using this iPad for the past few days, and she's been very pleased with it so far. The price is also competitive for an everyday use tablet, and considering that Apple is known for promising software updates for many years to come, this device is an easy buy for anyone needing a refresh.
The other day, my house was leaking, and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do about this. I'm a tech guy. I only know tech, so how do I fix that? And then you subscribed and you fixed it, so thank you.